Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix error code 40014 in the star station. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Sometimes this error is due to the network connection, so you must restart the router of your internet connection by turning on the airplane mode for 2 minutes and again turn it off, restore your internet connection and restart your game and your problem will be fixed. It is much better to use a different network connection if available. Once you're done, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And our second method is to disable the firewall and the antivirus that you have installed in your system. For this, you have to just click on your search icon and then search here for the Windows Defender Firewall. Once you find it, you have to just click to open it. So here at this interface, you have to just click on the turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Once you are here, you have to just click on the turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both the cases of the private and the public network settings and then click on the OK. Make sure that if you have installed any antivirus, then you have to just disable it as well. Doing so, you have to just restart your Star Station and your problem will be fixed. Moving to our next method, you have to just search here for the VPN and then click to open the second website, which is named as the VPN service by VPN. Once you find it, you have to just get this VPN for free and then connect it to your system. Once you're done, you have to just restart your Star Station and your problem will be fixed. You can also use any other VPN that is already installed in your system. So once you're done, your problem will be fixed. In some cases, to restart your system is more than enough to fix your error. So you must try this method as well. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.